Dima, and I'm the CEO and co-founder of Humans, one-of-a-kind company. We raised $9 million in a private sale. We are the AI startup of the year. We had the biggest IDO on Polka Starter last year. We raised $1.2 million in a couple of minutes, and we're more than 100,000 people in our community. I'm not sure if the... And we believe that we as humans, we are tool builders, and we build tools to move, to construct, and somehow we manage to create artificial intelligence, which is the greatest tool that we have ever built. It's a tool so powerful that even us got scared by the technology that we created. For example, meet Diana, one of our synthetic character that is able to speak in any language, having only a text as an input. I have a problem with the pointer. The volume. This is another showcase of our technology. It's me being able to speak with somebody else's face in real time. Oh, hey. Or another use case, if the guys can help me with the volume. It's me speaking in Romanian with my AI NFT. But unfortunately, I think the sound is not working.
A Universidade Federal da Paraíba está desenvolvendo cartões inteligentes.
And what you're hearing right now, it's my AI NFT that it's able to speak with my voice in Portuguese. The cool fact is that I don't know how to speak Portuguese. So basically my Romanian AI NFT trained the Portuguese one to help me speak in that language. And now imagine what the world can create. But what we are always asking is what's so artificial about intelligence? And the question is the framework. So we strongly believe that blockchain is the perfect medium for AI because we have the greatest tool, but this greatest tool has the biggest problems. It's very hard to manage. It's so data sensitive. There are no relationship between stakeholders, the data providers, the technology creators, the app builders, and it's very, very hard to finance. In the same time, the AI has this promise that it can help you create anything that you can imagine. But maybe you don't want to create anything with my voice, for example. Maybe I want to create and control. So meet Humans Blockchain, a domain-specific chain that it has this purpose to create the perfect technological framework for AI to create and be used. And for that, we are using Cosmos technology. We're very welcomed by the Cosmos ecosystem. We're working with Tendermint, Cosmwasm, Osmosis, and so on. And as an innovation, we recognize AIs as NFTs. For example, Diana, my voice, or others now live on the blockchain. And more than that, we're creating an entire economy around each AI. So imagine that the GPT-3 economy maybe should be bigger than Romania's economy if you have the permissionless tools to involve all the stakeholders in the same time to create this ethical framework, but accelerating the pace of innovation. Another example of AI NFTs that are on our blockchain right now, it's a project called Tolkens. And what we are saying is that we created billions of NFTs, but those NFTs are living in the silent movie era, so they are silent. And what we are doing, we want to change the industry, we want to do it forever by bringing NFTs to life. So if you are...
Hello, hello, hello.
So we managed to create a collection of 10,000 AI NFTs, so 10,000 unique voices. So you can own a voice in the Web3. Imagine that for now, you can own a new biological feature. You can use it in the metaverse, or it can be the voice of your business. But more than that, if you are paying with our ecosystem token, and if you are just typing a text, now our Bored Ape, it's more than a picture, it's alive, and it can speak.
Welcome to GITEX Dubai.
After 1 month, we gave a voice to our Bored Ape. It was the first NFT ever invited to a Comic-Con event. And it was all around the news. So using Cosmos technology, we managed to create very fast our blockchain, the faucet, the explorer, the wallet, the node, the bridge, and basically everything. And currently we're in the DevNet state, preparing for the incentivized testnet very, very soon. So if there are any Cosmos validators in the room, we can have a chat after my speech. And the mainnet will be in April 2023. Another important announcement is that we strongly believe in interoperability, and we are starting to partner up with incredible companies and incredible blockchains that are willing to integrate our technologies of AI NFTs in their blockchain. For example, what we are developing with Hedera is this so-called concept wrapped AI NFTs. So you are minting an AI NFT, my voice, for example, on our blockchain. But if you want to consume that AI, so if you want to create millions of audio files with my AI NFT, you want a more powerful blockchain for that. And we are using Hedera to wrap our AI NFTs and consume it in their environment. And as I said, the mainnet will be ready in 2023. Okay, so how we scale it? We have the blockchain. We have more than 10,000 AI NFTs as experiments on our blockchain, but how we scale it? And we said that AI and blockchain, it's incredible, but AI on blockchain, it's something very, very hard to achieve. So if you want to switch your AI to blockchain, it's very hard. And if you manage to do it, it's a strong defocus for your technology. We did it last year, and it was a very, very painful process. So we're introducing Humanscale is the first AI launchpad in the world. Through Scale, we are helping Web2 companies to switch from Web2 to Web3. So basically, we can create an economy around each AI technology, and we're providing an alternative of financing for them. Right now, an AI company can work for centralized companies, Google, Facebook, they can work for universities, but if they want to finance their AI, it's very hard for them to do that because they have technical skills. And on Humans Launchpad, Humanscale, you will find a program that help you with all the legal structure, with all the technology, the blockchain. We help you raise the money in a very, very fast time. But the more important part is that you are raising those money from the humans ecosystem, that it's an ecosystem of early adopters, of high-grade individuals. I have a problem with the clicker. It's a growing ecosystem. We started with 2 VCs, Morningstar Ventures, Nextkimia, but now our ecosystem, there are more than 20 VCs that are willing to invest in AI companies that we will launch on our launchpad. And to join our mission to onboard the next 1 million AIs to the blockchain, because we believe that every AI deserves its own economy. It's not just an idea, it's happening. We announced the first project on Humanscale. It's the leading NFT ticket, is the world leader in NFT ticket in the world, backed by Polygon Ventures and Crypto.com, more than 17,000 experiences. And what they are doing, they are financing an AI NFT on our launchpad to create generative artwork for every NFT that they are selling. So imagine that through their platform, they will sell hundreds of thousands of tickets for a music festival, for example, but it's impossible for a human to create a unique artwork for every ticket. So we are creating an AI that is able to create that artwork for every ticket, but in the same time to be able to learn about the look and feel of that musical festival that I told you about. And the sale is happening in November 2022. Before I end my presentation, I would like to introduce you our latest movie. It's a manifesto movie that helps you understand better our launchpad. And if you want to support an AI, or if you want to scale your scale your AI, we're waiting you on scale.humans.ai. Thank you.
We dream, us humans. We dream our dreams of things we haven't seen and places we haven't been to. We dream of her and him and them, of this and that and everything. But what if we can dream of something that can dream along with us? Of things we haven't seen and places we haven't been to. Of her and him and them. Of this and that and everything. AI impossible, they say. Not when AI meets blockchain. A dream machine that learns, creates, and dreams. We're introducing the first AI launchpad with a mission: to scale human potential by merging AI and blockchain and accelerate the AI impossible. Scale your AI, or be part of one, and help it learn to dream on scale.humans.ai.